How's it? This segment will be a departure from our normal Pidgin English programming because today I co-hosted the Toys for Tots run, which is a gathering of 5,000 motorcyclists put on by Street Bikers United, who I'm very involved with. And we raise money and gather toys for underprivileged children in conjunction with the Marines. Well, I put these videos up on YouTube at, I don't know, maybe, like 12 o'clock, and a little after. I don't go sleep till maybe 1:30, 2 o'clock. And I have to be at this function this morning at, I don't know, before the sun came up. So I'm working on about 3 hours sleep right now. And I knew I'd be too tired to come home, edit, write, shoot, and, the regular videos that we do. But instead, I shot a bunch of footage while I was there in between MC duties. And if you're a student of Pidgin English or Miss Hawaii and just want to hear some local people talking a kind, I think you'll enjoy this video. And we'll return to normal programming tomorrow. If you enjoy it, you know the drill. Okay, mahalo. We're here at Magic Island in Hawaii at the toy run. This is what, the 43rd or something like that, Roy?
Pretty close.
40th, whatever, bro. But this is the acting president of the Mo'opuna's Right. You still acting president? President. Same, bro. But anyway, I just thought I would, let people say hi to other people on the mainland, because we got people watching from all over. You got anybody on the mainland you want to say hi to?
Yeah, I got a whole bunch of cousins up in Washington, Colorado, and Utah. Aloha.
Yeah, I just want to say plenty of alohas to all of us. It's just out there in the big land. We live in the small land over here.
I want to send a shout out to my cousin Prima Fuller in California.
And one out to my two boys in Reno, Nevada, Shane and Joel. How's it, boys? Love you guys.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
This is for my friend Rowdy, Silverdale, Washington. I miss you, man. Can't wait to see you again. Got you the shirt. Toys for Tot this year. 50 state bikers. Thank you.
Hey, this goes to Cassidy and Christian, my son and daughter, back in Florida.
I used to go to you guys' house when you guys were leaving Macau. I'm not Macau, but right across Waianae High School.
What street? Oh, no. That was Koloaha.
I don't know, right across the street from Waianae High School.
Yeah?
Yeah, I used to go to your house. You remember I had that tandem trailer in the garage in the yard?
Yeah?
So I got him. He came to me a long time ago. And he made me on tiki. He used to carve, right?
Yeah?
He made me on tiki, but I forget. I never go get him. On Buddha. He made on Buddha for me.
Yeah.
I was sitting up like this, and all the small Buddhas all on the top. I never go get them.
That's all right.
All right, baby. Check it out.
We got
Loco Moco.
Good.
Hello, Auntie Mel from Hawaii, California, Modesto. Tommy Medeiros and Darlene Medeiros.
Hello there.
You wanna be on my vlog?
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, right there. Just say. You got anybody on the mainland you want to say hi to?
Not really.
Not in the mainland.
Yo! How you doing, Jerry? Vegas.
Everything's good with you.
I know one day you'll be back here, we'll be riding. One day we was riding, me and some other guys, the Mo'opunas, and Andy was riding his nice chopper. We ride all the way to Macau.
Yeah.
Guess what? His oil tank fell down at the end of the ride and he couldn't find a screw.
So, just a shout out to my sister Cheryl Thompson in Vallejo, California. Hi sis, love you, see you sometime.
I want to send a big shout out to the Kanaka chapters up in Santa Clara, soon to be SoCal, Southern California, Oakland. We got Las Vegas, we got Arizona, Washington.
1980, I arrived here, the new drummer in the band, right? I'm sitting in 2121 Hawai, watching this ancient VHS machine. I think it was Beta even. All in the Ohana was the funniest thing I ever saw in my life. And it taught me how to survive in Hawaii. That's why I'm still alive and never got my ass kicked. How's that?
Perfect. Oh man.
My name is David. I'm with Llama, Latin American Motorcycle Association here in Hawaii. A beautiful day out here, the toy run. Doing a shout out to my brother out in California named Joshua Uribe. And hey bro, how's it? I wish you were here to join us. We're having a good time, man. You have a good one over there, brother.
All right, and I want to say Merry Christmas to all my nieces and nephews out in Korea. Merry Christmas out there to everybody. All my family's on the Big Island. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, man. Toys for Tots forever. Well, the last day I was down there seeing Levi, Lippy, Levi Stanley, them.
Yeah, I just see George and Diggy.
Oh yeah. Then Bruce DeSoto, Rano them.
He just sent me up.
Oh yeah, Rano them, brother, Rano them. Yeah, it was nice.
Okay, bro, mahalo.
Give it Andy. Yeah.
Aloha.
See you again.
Okay, bro. So we got out of Sand Island, okay. Look behind me. There's a few bikes, that's for sure. And that's Jack! So this vlog took kind of a different turn than I know a lot of you people are used to. But it's for a good cause. We gather a lot of toys. And mahalo to the Marines, all the clubs that help put this together, and of course, all the people you see in the background who come down and bring toys and help support this great cause.
Oh, wow. Brother Andy. Oh.
So I hope you enjoyed the video, and hey, if you can, subscribe. Mahalo.